Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to expand a table in Notion 2025. If you're someone who works with tables to organize data, track your progress, or collaborate with a team, knowing how to quickly set up and resize a table can make a big difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident creating and adjusting tables to suit your workspace. Whether you're planning a project, managing tasks, or just keeping things neat and accessible, let's dive right in. First, we need to add a table to your Notion page. There are two simple ways to do this. You can either click the little plus sign that appears when you hover just below any existing block, which is Notion's way of helping you add something new exactly where you need it. That plus button is almost like your personal assistant. It brings up a handy menu with lots of options, and Table is usually right near the top. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can type a /, then Table, and hit Enter. This is great for moving fast, and a neat little trick if you're working on a long page and don't want to scroll through a ton of options. Both of these methods will instantly drop a fresh new table onto your page, ready for you to customize. Once your table appears, you might notice that it starts off with just a few rows and columns. Don't worry, this is just a starting point, a blank canvas. Expanding your table to fit your needs is really straightforward. Now, with your table in view, take a look at the table's edges. If you hover your mouse near the border of the table, Notion will highlight it just a little. This means it's ready for you to interact. Here's the trick. Simply click and drag that edge. If you want to add more columns, grab the right side and pull it further out. You'll see the table stretching wider, almost as if you're giving yourself more space to think and organize. Want more rows for extra data? Drag the bottom edge down. This part might take a moment, especially if you're deciding how much room you need. So pause and check if the new size feels right for what you're working on. There's no rush. You can always come back and adjust later. I find that resizing tables in Notion feels a lot like pulling open a drawer to get extra room. Sometimes you start with a small space, but as your ideas grow, you want everything to fit comfortably. By clicking and dragging these edges, you're customizing your workspace so it matches your workflow, not the other way around. Maybe you're tracking a budget and need more columns for expenses. Or perhaps you're collaborating with classmates and want to make sure everyone has their own row. Just remember, you can always click and drag as many times as needed. Notion gives you total flexibility here. And that's all there is to it. Creating and expanding tables in Notion 2025 is quick, intuitive, and gives you plenty of control, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button so others can find it too. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips on working with tables in Notion, drop a comment below. I'd love to chat. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, hands-on tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.